Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Shay Cray for those of you who don't know, and we're back with another unboxing video. Otherwise, why would I be here right now? If you're new to the channel, what I like to do is a bit of real-time unboxing, review, on feet sizing, all that good stuff just thrown into one video. What I managed to hit on were some more dunks this week. These are the Brooklyn Net dunks. They did in the Chicago pair and I wanted both of them. I caught an L the first time round and this was actually a restock. I felt like it was meant to be a little bit, just purely because I wasn't meant to be up these times in the morning. But this was the one time I decided to get up early for work and Nike hit me with a notification like, yo, these have just restocked. Unfortunately, they were only restocking from a size 5.5 up. And so that's technically too big for me. But I was like, just let me try them. Let me get them in hand and see what I can do, because it is better to have loved and lost than to have never got the crepes in the first place. So just for the newbies, as always, I really commit to not taking the peeps. I'm on camera here with you guys. These have probably been at my yard for like 2 weeks. I'm not even going to hold you. So it's time for this pull tab to come open. But if you wouldn't mind, if you're liking this video or any of my other content, please drop a like, a comment, or maybe even subscribe, because that would be blessed. I feel like we should like ASMR it this week or something. This is so dumb. I mean, if you're into that, there you go. I got so excited then I almost just went and opened it up and forgot that you were here. So here we are, the box. Let's be honest, we weren't expecting anything different. Plain, the most plain Nike box you could ever get given. Just really, really generic. Orange with the white branding. I'm not really going to chat about this. As you can see, like I said, I got these in a 5.5. Not out of choice. But yeah, let's just open them up. Let's be honest, I'm not going to waste my time here chatting about this tissue paper. I'm getting peeps. I'm getting peeps out the corner of my eye, innit? Ooh. Ooh. I'm nicely surprised, you know. These might be better than the Chicago ones. Like, okay. Oh, shit. These are clean, you know, actually. I'm quite surprised. I was fiending for the Chicago ones, and I went to Crep City, like, whenever Crep City was, and they were everywhere. And I didn't see a pair of these at all. And these actually might be way cleaner. As you can see, this shoe does sport the team colours of blue and white. We also do have another pretty big nod to the team, the fact that the logo is actually stamped on the bottom here on this leather paneling. Above that, we just have this nice sleek blue Nike tick that then goes into this grey side paneling. That's kind of it for the colorways. The rest of the shoe is just in this grey and white leather. Apart from when we head to the back, there is a nice bit of red Nike stitching on the tabs. It also runs across nicely in the midsole that just ties everything together. One thing that I do want to chat about, QC. I know I don't normally go off tangent and start talking about QC. I will get to that deeper on the kind of end review. But I feel like the backs of each shoe are kind of wonky and a little bit off. They're not quite centered, at least on one of the shoes anyway. So I just want to add that in here. That's quite odd. Then heading towards the tongue and the laces. Again, this is another 75th NBA Diamond Anniversary. If you've been on this channel, I've made so many videos on this. I keep picking up crepes from that collection. I don't really know. So if you're interested in any of the others, I will leave that up somewhere in the universe. But they all kind of are very similar. So it does again have this 75th anniversary with the NBA logo on here. It goes into these grey laces. Of course, no other spare laces here. And then once again, we have this nice little diamond at the bottom just to signify that 75th diamond anniversary. If you want to go to the toe box, there's really nothing to chat about. Pretty standard, normal for a dunk. So I'm not going to waste my time chatting about that. Coming back to the midsole, as I stated, we do have this nice red contrast stitching running alongside it. Apart from that, a normal white midsole with this blue outer midsole just poking through. Just then takes us to the sole itself. Standard, normal dunk sole. Nothing to chat about here. But yeah, there you go. Heading inside, we do have this, what I would call like a royal blue sock lining. And I'm quite pleasantly surprised, if I'm honest. Normally, I don't rate regular dunks for their comfort or quality, if I'm honest. SBs on another level. I love SBs. They're always super comfy and padded. But this does have a little bit of padding in there. So it does look like it's going to feel quite nice on your foot. Going inside to the sole, again, more royal blue with just the Nike red branding that is pretty generic and what you're going to find in most dunks. The soles themselves look like they're going to be pretty easy to take out if you want to swap them or do whatnot. Like I said, if I do end up keeping these, I'm probably going to have to put something in here because they are just a smidgen too big. But yeah, nice shout. So when it comes to sizing, I've just been and kind of slipped this on my foot. I'm actually quite taken back on how big these are. Like, I normally go for a 5 in dunks across the board. This is only a 5.5. This is only half a size bigger, but it feels way bigger for me personally. I do really like them, so I'm probably going to try them with some insoles in, whatever, and see how they feel. But yeah, I'm quite surprised on how roomy and big they were, so you might just want to take that into consideration. If you've been on this channel long enough, you know my feet don't make mathematical sense, so always take my sizing guide with a little bit of a pinch of salt. From what I've heard from a lot of other people, dunks tend to be basically true to size, but these, just a little roomier than I expected. If you've been on this channel for a minute, then you do know that one other thing I do like to do is just give my kicks an initial gas rating, like straight out the box. What am I feeling? What am I saying? I'm just going to talk about QC really quick. It's not bad. There are a few like loose threads here or there, and I'm still not totally sold on the back of these heels. I'm going to zoom in so you can tell me if I'm going crazy or not, but the left one does look a bit off. But you never know. When they did the whole stitch the Jumpmans the wrong way around or whatever, that boosted them in price. So it might not necessarily be a bad thing if you've got a defected pair. Obviously QC is always going to be different on every shoe, so I can't promise you anything, but considering it's a really inexpensive shoe and it's kind of not really a hype shoe, I'm not going to knock it. It's not bad. So with that all being said, straight out of the box, I think I'm going to give these a little 6.5. Okay guys, so thanks for checking in with me again this week. I'm just going to call these the net dunks because the real name is too long for me to remember, but it will be in the title, so if you do want to look them up, that's where you can find them. Nice little pair, if I'm honest. I think these are probably I'm gonna try and force my feet in these and make them into the collection. But if you want to come chat to me, as always, you know you're more than welcome to do that. Either drop a comment down below or you can come over to Instagram where I'm pretty much at 24/7. But until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. Why do I always forget what I'm saying? Like, I don't say the same thing every week. Views, brand new kicks, open them up with you. I don't know what I'm chatting about, if I'm honest. So just for the new... Ooh, bitch.